Got the cars. All right, so we're about to do the villa tour of where we're staying in San Pedro, Belize. So you already saw the golf carts. You saw what the house looks like outside. Now let's go inside. So come up here. And you have like a little patio area outside where you could sit and stuff. And then this is open or no? Oh yeah. In here is the washer and dryer. Can you see that? Can you see that? Washer and dryer, ironing board, and they provide you with like the laundry detergent and stuff like that. If you need it, that's good. Okay. Then this is the main entrance. Sliding doors. When we come in here, I'm gonna turn off the music. Give me 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Hold on, hold on. Okay, we should be good. Okay. Okay, so when you first come in, I actually love this part because the kitchen is super big. So you come in, you have your kitchen, right? You have the kitchen here. Microwave is a must. So when I saw that, I was like, that's perfect. You have the filtered water. I guess they refill it. We haven't been using it though. We've been buying bottled waters and stuff. But you literally have like a full-blown kitchen. Electric stove, seasonings. You have everything. Like even over here in this cabinet, like, hello, you could feed like 50 people.
I've never seen it there.
Like that's mad plates, mad cups, right? And all of these are just like literally stocked. Like if somebody lives here, like you got everything you could possibly need in all of these cabinets. Toaster oven, pots, pans, all the good stuff, all the good stuff. Dishwasher, of course, fridge, coffee maker if you need coffee. And then it leads you to the main area. So we have this sit down area, which we've been utilizing a lot. We all sit down here, we hang out, we talk, we drink, smoke some hookah and stuff like that. I like this part a lot too. I like the design. Like this is super nice. This wallpaper. So it's like your bar area, I feel like. So cups, we've been putting our bottles here and stuff like that. What's in here? Oh, this just looks like a whole bunch of stuff that they need. Look, it's garbage. There's garbage in there. Then the cool thing about this is that, so there's 2 bedrooms. We're gonna show you our room only because we don't wanna go into Darren's room. But you could go upstairs and you have ladders. So we have it on this side and we also have it behind you, which was it looks the same thing. So literally you pull it out. Let me see. Boom. Should I climb up there? I'm gonna climb, okay. So you climb up, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna climb all the way to my dress is too long for this. But you climb up. Dang, I wish I could actually show you what it looked like up there though.
Just take the camera. Just climb up and pass it to you.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you what it looked like up there.
Climb up and pass it to you.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I gotcha. All right, so when you come up here, this is what it looks like. And it's actually a good size. It's 2 beds, a little hanger rack, and then the room. And on the other side, it's the same. You can see it from here. It's the same exact thing. And you just climb up from the ladder. And yeah, some extra bed space and stuff like that. And you can see the whole living room area from here. That's where we just came in from. And then we're about to show you the living room and stuff like that. So hold on, let me get down. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get down. Go ahead, be careful, get down first. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right, so I'm gonna get down. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. That's how you get up there. And then you literally, oh, okay. You just push it.
Two bedroom with six beds.
Right. And you just push it back when you're done with it. As you can see, it's a lot of work. Okay. Then we have the living room area, of course. 2 cute lounge chairs. They roll around wherever you want to face. Our couch, coffee table. Nice TV, good size. This is where we've been utilizing this TV to play our music because we don't have a speaker. They do provide you with Wi-Fi and password, which is really good. And all your lighting needs right here. Then, shall we start with room and then go outside?
Let's show them outside.
Okay. So then this is our outside area. Open. So you come out and it's so hot out here, but we'll start this way. So you come out, again, another beautiful lounge area to just come outside and chill and hang out. I think it's super cute. More little lounge chairs and areas over on this side. And then of course, oh yeah, so the bedrooms you get like entrances, so onto like the patio area here. So that's Darren's room. So yeah, you could come out of the room and come out here from your room, or you could use the one from the living room. And then we have our beautiful pool, which we had a great time in just a little while ago. We was having fun, and I'm sure we're gonna have a lot more fun in this pool.
It's only day 2.
Yeah, only day 2. We obviously have our nice lounge chairs where we could lay, tan, and another little seating area over here where we could all utilize. Yeah, and they have the curtain that goes all the way around. I think it will go all the way around for the bugs and stuff like that. So that's been good. And if you come down here, over here there's like little stairs. So I forgot what this game is called, but y'all know this game where you throw the bean bags in. So I thought that was cool. You have it on both sides. And then over here, y'all hear the planes going by? See that little plane up there? That's the shuttle we take to come from the airport to over here, to the little island. And then over here you have a grill. So if you want to cook out, buy some food and stuff like that. I think that came in clutch. We've been using that to spark the hookah. Okay, let's go back up here. Okay. Then we're gonna show y'all our room, and we have access to it from out here. My suitcase is right here. It's a little messy, you know. Don't mind. So come. Oh, it feels so good in here. So this is our room. Again, this is the second day, so we already utilized the room. But you have your little lamps. You have a good sized bed. Some cute little pictures. I actually took a video of it like before it was like messed up, so I'll just insert it so you can see what it looks like then, but it was like a quiet video. We have the TV, of course. Look who's playing. Me. That's me. Then you have this little area, which I thought it was cute. We just been using it to put our stuff that we need right here. You have hangers, a cute little basket. We've been using this for our dirty clothes. I don't know if that's what it was there for, but that's what we're using it for. Then we have the bathroom here. So we come in the bathroom. This door right here is just access to the living room area, and we'll go out there when we finish the video. But this is the bathroom. You have your shelves, which I thought was nice too. I should actually put the stuff that I'm gonna use, like lotions and stuff, in here. But you have this. You have a nice sink, mirror, The other room has the
Double sink.
the double sink, yeah, and a full body mirror, which I've been going over there to look at myself. What else? Oh, you have a blower. Oh, that's good to know in case I want to do my hair. Blower, toiletries, everything like that is included. If you need any more, you can just call them and they'll bring it. But yeah, it's a little toilet, window. The shower is actually really nice. Move over. I actually really like the shower. So cute, and it's pretty big, spacious in there. So yeah, that's the bathroom. They also provided me with a bunch of towels. They like all of this was filled up with towels. And I think that's the end of our villa tour. Like I said, the other room is, you got 2 sinks, the full body mirror, and yeah.
That's it.
So we about to go out, and I will see y'all later. Bye.